guys, it's me again, Cherry, and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video guys, ang gagawin po natin ay unboxing. Wait. Hindi na pala siya unboxing kasi nabuksan ko na siya guys. So, natingnan ko na yung binili ko sa Zalora. So, bakit nga ba ako bumili sa Zalora?
Kasi I find it interesting and nakita ko siya na nag-pop up sa Facebook ko. Tapos dinownload ko siya, yung application. Tapos chinek ko. Sobrang na-amazed ako sa mga items na andun. At watch out guys, yung Zalora is branded products all over Asia. I think it's not just Asia, but I think international. So, marami po silang mga products doon na mga branded. So, that's why nag-try akong bumili doon. So, yun nga guys, ang mga nabili ko doon is since palapit na yung summer, bumili ako ng swimsuit at saka swimsuit or swimwear at saka bumili din ako ng bag at boots kasi parang maganda yung boots guys kasi never pa akong nakabili ng boots in my entire life. So nag-try ako mag-online shopping from Zalora, and guess what? I like and I love their products. So guys, let's start. What did I bought? So guys, the first items na binili ko from Zalora is yung mga swimwear since palapit na yung summer. So, ito yung package na pinadala ng Zalora sa akin, yung first na binili ko from Zalora. So Zalora guys is an Asia's online fashion destination. They can also you can pay it on cash on delivery. Tapos may 30 days free returns pa at free delivery above 995 at 100% authentic. So, authentic lahat ng mga products from Zalora. So, guys, ito yun. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung laman ng binili ko. So, dalawa yung binili ko sa Zalora na online shopping na swimwear from
Shapes and Curves. Yeah. From Shapes and Curves.
So, ito yun guys. So, ganito. Ganito yung binili ko from Zalora na swimwear. Galing sa Shapes and Curves. So, well packaged talaga yung pagkaka-deliver nila guys. So, this is the brand, the Shapes and Curves. So, I bought 2 items. So maganda yung items nila guys sa Shapes and Curves. I love the material, the design. Tapos guys, guess what? I was amazed kasi from 1,000 plus nag-sale sila. I think this one I bought this from 599, and for these 2 pieces. And the other one is I bought it like 699. I forgot how much is it, but total price that they collect is 1,298. So pag binili natin to guys from other brands, like I think mga ganito is mga 1,000 to 2,000 plus. So ginab ko na yung items ng Shapes and Curves kasi naka-sale sila. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung fitting nito ng binili ko from Zalora na mga swimwear.
Yo, drop your glasses and shake your asses. I wanna get with you and I feel like real nasty. Yo, you make me feel like it was the days out and all. Let me hold want me, shoot it in like you're open. No, no one can do it better than that. Listen to me, baby, like it's slow it like that. Got me, papi, let me sit you right back. Wanna be my fat dough when I sing a lean back. Damencita, nice to meet ya. I could be your mamacita, but the reefer with a FIFA on, with a blunt, Mr. James Bond. If you down, fuck it, let's.
So, yung pangalawang brand na nabili ko sa Zalora, guys, as I've mentioned, it's, I bought a bag, and, I think it's a sling bag. Yeah, it's a sling bag, and the other one, it's boots. Kasi, never pa akong nakabili ng boots in my entire life, right? Kasi, you know na, hindi ako mayaman, guys. Medyo nakaluwag-luwag lang ngayon, kasi nga, medyo, may online shopping ako, na, may online shopping ako. Tapos, yeah, it's a beauty.
Online shopping, and mostly, binibenta ko siya sa Facebook. Yun lang.
Yun lang yung income ko. Tsaka, I have a part-time job in real estate. Yun lang, guys. Pero bago pa lang ako sa real estate. So, yun, guys. So, ipapakita ko na yung pangalawang products na binili ko sa Zalora. So, ito siya, guys. So, the brand that I grabbed is
Something borrowed. So, ito siya, guys. Ta-da! Ito yung bag. This is a sling bag. It's a metal, it's a tote bag. It's a metal trim small bag. And the color is black, and one size lang siya, guys. And the other one is the
bag. It's a metal trim small bag. And the color is black, and one size lang siya, guys. And the other one is the boots. The boots, guys. Boots. And may pa-love letter si Zalora. So, Zalora Philippines, and their website, www.zalora.com.ph. So, ito yung laman ng love letter nila. Buti pa sa Zalora, may pa-love letter sa Valentine's Day. Advance Valentine's Day. So, ito yung laman ng love letter ni Zalora. It's BFJA Services Philippines Incorporated. Sales invoice. Tapos may order number pa at chucho, blah blah blah, at items SKU. May description, at quantity, at unit price, at may discount. Of course, guys, may discount ako sa Zalora. Bakit may discount ako sa Zalora? When I bought the first products that I purchased in Zalora, yung second na magpo-purchase ka, guys, may 300% may 300 pesos off ka na discount pag bibili ka ng second items ni Zalora. Pero itong binili ko, guys, naka-sale din siya. Naka-sale tong Something Borrowed. So, ito yung logo ng Something Borrowed. Ito yung boots. Tapos, ang unit price ng binili ko dito is 549, but yung original price dito is, I think, 1,099 ata. Tapos, yung sa tote bag, ito. So, 549 yung unit price niya. At saka, itong boots is, I think, nasa mga 117 or 19. Tapos, yung price na ngayon is 1,449. Since may 300 pesos ako na discount, so, nag-appear siya dito, like, yung sa tote bag, it's 82.43. Tapos, sa boots naman, it's 217.57. So, total of 300 pesos. So, yung nabayaran ko is a total of 1,698 pesos, guys, sa Something Borrowed. So, ipapakita ko po kung anong laman ng mahiwagang kahon. Yan. Wait. Open natin siya, guys. Ito na. Ito na yung boots na binili ko from something borrowed na brand. Ito na guys, my first ever boots from Zalora na something borrowed. Diba? Maganda siya guys. First time ko tong maka-boots guys. First time ko po ito. So, naka-package po talaga siya. Well, package yung, yung binigay ng something borrowed na andun sa Zalora. So, every pair ba yun? Ano ba yung term? So, every po, may talaga siya. May sudlanan ba? Kapuya, Tagalog, oy. merong siya, may ano ba yun? Busita guys, ano bang tawag dito? Basta basta meron ito. Iwan ko kung anong Tagalog. Tsaka ito naman yung isa. Ito guys. Ito. Tada! Ito yun naman. So, ibabalik na natin siya guys. Baka, yun na. Oh my god. I love it. I love the brand. And I love the style. Basta love ko na talaga ang Zalora. When it turns to branded items. Tapos guys, ang bilis dumating ng Zalora. I think ito binili ko siya I think mga nasa Thursday, tapos dumating siya I bought it like Saturday, since wala namang delivery sa Sunday, so dumating siya yesterday, by Monday. So ang bilis lang talaga ng delivery ng Zalora, walang kini-kini. Ang bilis, wala stick. Walang echos. So, ito naman yung tote bag guys. Something borrowed. Tada! Mukha siyang velvet guys. Ito. Ito siya guys. Maganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Wait lang guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ito. Wait lang. Ayan. O diba? Maganda. Panggala to guys. Yan. Maganda to. Pag naka-dress ka. Yan. O, diba? Maganda, guys. I love it. Maganda talaga. I love something borrowed from Zalora. So, if i-rate ko yung Zalora, guys, I think out of 10, I think 10 ang mabibigay ko sa Zalora. Kasi napakaganda ng brand. Napakaganda ng mga items nila, branded, original, authentic, at kung ano-ano pa. Basta wala akong masabing, yun lang guys. I love Zalora. As in, 100%. At napakabilis. Walang kuskus balongos, parang palawan lang. So, yun lang. Yun lang guys. So, if nagustuhan nyo yung review ko from Zalora guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on my social media accounts. So, thank you for watching. Bye!